Alright, my name is Wade and I'm here with Jacob who's filming today, and we're at an undisclosed location giving the homemade review of the Sequoia. So this does not have airfoils on it. It simply flies by pressure and energy, kind of like a kite in a way. But anyway, it's a pusher prop, and basically we take the Dollar Tree foam board from the dollar store, and it takes about $3 worth, and we put the prop on, and the 3-cell LiPo battery goes up front, and let's go see how it flies. Okay, now straight up.
Nice.
Alright, looks like it flew pretty good. So this is Wade and Jacob signing out for this week. And we'll see you again on RC Flight Club.